Hi everyone, my name is Peyton Watson and this is my Differentiate with Technology video. Technology can be used in the classroom to foster independent learning through personalized and authentic learning experiences. Digital environments help engage students and support active, deep learning. It is important for teachers to understand when and how technology can be used appropriately. Technology can be a great tool to help teachers spice up the instruction within the classroom. Differentiated instruction means tailoring instruction to meet a student's individual needs. The process of how the content is taught and the learning environment are big factors to consider when providing the best education for students. Implementing flexibility creates a successful approach to instruction. For this example, I have chosen a 3rd grade math lesson. For this standard, students will be comparing numbers using less than, greater than, or equal to symbols. Students will demonstrate mastery by understanding and being able to use the less than, greater than, or equal to symbols correctly. To begin this lesson, as the teacher, I will ask the students if they know or remember what the words greater than, less than, or equal to mean. I will then put some practice problems written in a sentence on the board that the students will answer individually by raising their hand. Such examples will consider: is 50 greater than or less than 75? Is 92 less than or greater than 22? Or is 45 less than, equal to, or greater than 45? After these particular questions are answered, I will introduce the symbols and how they can be used to answer the problems that are written on the board. I will then explain what the symbols mean by comparing them to an alligator. To help the students understand, I will explain that the symbol for less than or greater than looks like an alligator ready to eat the biggest number. Alligators love to eat the biggest thing available, so this can be a key concept to remember. When the numbers are the same value, the equal sign is used, meaning the alligator does not want either number or it is unsure of what to eat. Instead of using a worksheet to practice this concept, I have decided to adapt this learning within technology. Technology is becoming more and more popular in classrooms, and it is a great way to enhance lessons. With the class set of any device that has internet access, students will go to education.com/games. When on this site, the students will be interacting by clicking on the less than or greater than alligator game. When opening this game, students will see a swamp environment. In the middle will be 2 lily pads displaying numbers. Students will have to click and drag the correct alligator that completes the problem. The alligator mouths are shaped to represent the less than, greater than, or equal to symbols. This use of technology maximizes deep learning of the standard because students can remember the alligator reference when being quizzed. Looking deeply into the question of is the number less than or greater than broadens these students' perspective. By using this online site, children are interacting with technology as it is advancing their brain. As mentioned before, the game does not end, so continuous practice makes perfect. Students remain engaged, and most importantly, they are having fun. Online educational games are a great way to keep students motivated while enhancing their knowledge of the current standard. This game is played alone, which fosters independent learning. It also accommodates for all learners because it can be done at their own pace. This game does not have an end, so those that work fast will not finish early, and they will get more practice in. I hope someday I can implement this into my future classroom and that it can be a great resource for students when learning.